Firstly, I'd like to thank everyone who's been involved in this project. And there have been many people who have been involved in this project. I want to thank you for delivering not just a building, not just a wonderful set of technical spaces, but for delivering a vision for engineering education.
But I'd like to just acknowledge that we have an extraordinary team of people that be involved across many areas, internally and externally, to get us where we are today. As you all know, this fabulous place is the Dorothy Buchanan Building, named after an incredible and inspirational woman. Dorothy was the first female head of the Institute of Civil Engineers as she became a member in 1927. At that time, when she came over, there were 10,000 male chartered civil engineers. She paved the way for women in engineering at a time when women faced widespread exclusion from that field. And she displayed all the characteristics of determination, perseverance, intelligence, and good humour that enabled her to enter a male profession.
We know that this building is not just bricks and mortar. It's a place where ideas will be born and innovation will flourish. And here at Roehampton, the aim is to ensure that our graduates have the tools and knowledge to make a difference in the world. This is a groundbreaking centre focused on sustainable engineering and technology. It is also ensuring that our students are well prepared, not just for industry, but also be fierce champions of that sustainability.
I want to start also by thanking our Deputy Vice Chancellor, Richard Keogh, who actually had the vision for this particular project. Turn what was a fairly old and wonderful and quirky building, but not so convenient and certainly not so beautiful, into something which would be useful for something completely new at Roehampton. And again, it was a bit of a leap of faith for the university, as I say, in investment into something totally new at a time where universities had already started to kind of roll back on investment, at a time where universities were kind of more thinking about retrenchment and expansion. And this is where Roehampton took a view that actually we need to build something to continue attracting students, and this is exactly what we've done.